Okay, hey, I just woke up and Molly's over there. I don't know if you can see her, but she's over there somewhere. Oh, there's her butt, and then her face is, I don't know if you can see her, but yeah. She's over there being weird. Yep. And yeah, just woke up. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. So we'll figure that out. But yeah, I'm gonna go do my whole morning routine you kinda saw yesterday. I'll see if I can get a video of me trying to feed the bird, but he might not eat because it's still a baby, so it like just came out of the little nest thing yesterday, and it's not really used to being hand fed, so yeah, it might be kind of stubborn about it, but I'll try. But yeah, I'll see you in like a second. Peace. This is my bird Swazo. Swazo. It's it's the word bird in Haitian Creole, and he's still a baby. He's little. He's cute though. See, see, yep, this is Swazo. Yeah, this is him. He's not that big. He's just cleaning himself now. He just woke up. He just woke up. I'm gonna feed him in a little bit, but yep. Oh, yeah. Yep. So that's Swazo. Um, okay, hey. I just got done feeding Swazo. So yeah. And now me and my Simba backpack, which I need to fix because the arm's broken a little bit. We're gonna go to the park for a smoke break. Yeah. See, I'm almost out. I have these because my friend gave them to me. And then I have these. These are really strong. Like clove cigarettes, and these are like super, super mild. Like nothing. I don't like them. I usually smoke Marlboro Red, but didn't get those because my friend gave those to me, and then someone recommended these to me, so I got these instead. Which sucks because there's only 12 in a pack instead of like 20 in like Marlboros, but whatever. So whatever. It started. You're on video.
I'm on video.
Yeah.
Hi, video.
This is my retarded best friend Bethany.
When you say I'm on video, maybe it's because I'm drunk, but I think I'm stuck.
What the fuck?
Because you said on video, and it's like on, and the video.
It's like action.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, why am I talking? I need to shut up.
No, you can keep going. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
I was T.I.'s kid.
I know, right? Oh my god.
I'm
Like.
counting money.
Oh my god. This is ridiculous.
thought you were doing a video.
I am.
You aren't talking. I'm talking.
Yeah, you're more
Not just
funny.
talking. Oh, video.
Nope, you're more funny, so.
Hi, I'm Katie, and I'm doing a video, and I like cookies. Oh my god, I have cookies on the freezer. Oh my god, I'm Ben Franklin. Oh my god, that would still be me if I was T.I.'s kid.
Wow. I just made ramen noodles because I'm poor. And
What?
I just made ramen noodles because I'm poor. And I forgot about them because I had to feed the bird.
Uh-huh.
And they were really gross, but I was really hungry, so I ate them.
They are really gross. Ew, I can't believe you ate them. I would have died.
I was really hungry.
Hey, should I open my next bottle of wine and drink it?
You should send it to me. You and your bottle of wine should come over here. We can throw a party.
Oh my god, no.
A YouTube party.
Oh my god. I told Daddy that I wanted to go to Pride, and he said no because people shoot people. And I said gay people are loving. And he said drive. And I said, okay, me and Katie are gonna go. And then he started talking, and I don't know what he was saying because I got distracted by my fingernail.
Oh my god.
Shiny.
Holy shit.
It really is shiny and sparkly.
Awkward moment when you realize your friend is majorly retarded.
It's brown on the top with like tiger stripes, and it is gold, like sparkly gold, and then it's like plain. But the top is really pretty.
Yeah, I'm gonna end this video. Say bye.
What?
I'm ending the video. Say bye to the video.
Bye to the video.
Yay. Okay, hey. This is my nighttime thing. This is me and Molly. You're on here. It's Molly. She's big. But yeah, I'm fixing to go to bed. But yeah. Yeah, so I'm fixing to go eat actually. I'm gonna have some green beans and potatoes and some other, probably some carrots and stuff like that. And finish my shake I made. Looks gross, but it's really good. Has some nuts and then a bunch of veggies and a bunch of carrots and stuff. A bunch of fruit and veggies in there. I'm out of green veggies, which sucks, but yeah. Whatever. Made it with what I got, which was nothing really. But yeah. So there's that, and then yeah, I'm just gonna go eat. I'm making some sugar glazed rolls, like the flaky kind, but you put like butter and sugar and mix it all together and put it on top and then bake them. So it's like all so good. So good. But yeah. So me and this awkward little puppy over here, me and Molly are saying, ew, you slobbered on me. Gross. Gross. So me and Molly are saying good night. So peace. Okay, this is my friend. She's gonna interview me. Go.
Look, I forgot my question. Okay, let's go. What's your favorite color?
Neon green.
Do you like girls?
Sure. I like everybody. I'm equal opportunity.
You like boys, nigga.
I'm equal opportunity.
What's your favorite animal?
Ringtail lemur.
If I say purple, what comes to mind?
Killing Barney.
Shooting bunnies.
Killing Barney.
What's your
God.
favorite kind of weed?
All of it.
Am I still going?
Yeah.
Still have time?
Yeah, no, it's not time. It's not timed. Just keep going.
Oh, okay. Let's see. If you had to choose a number, what would it be?
69.
Ass or titties?
Both.
Beach or mountain?
What?
Beach or mountain?
Beach. Less close.
North or south?
I would say south because let's close, but I'm gonna say north because yeah.
Sucking dick or eating pussy?
Dicks are creepy.
Yeah, they kind of look like frogs.
Yeah. They're kind of creepy to me.
So eating pussy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Awkward.
God damn it, I forgot the fucking question. What was my fucking question again? Okay. Football or weed?
Both.
Did you hear that Kanye West wants to do porn?
What the fuck?
Would you do porn? Would you do porn?
It really depends on like where my life is at that point.
Okay, so let me put it this way. Porn star or stripper?
Both.
Okay.
Make money.
Jennifer Lopez or Britney Spears?
Jennifer Lopez kind of pisses me off, so I'm just gonna go with Britney.
Nicki Minaj or Beyonce?
Nicki kind of pisses me off because she has like so many accents and everything. It doesn't even make sense. So I'm gonna say Beyonce because Nicki Minaj just seems kind of fake.
Threesome with a girl and a guy, or just straight lesbian sex?
Wait, what?
Would you rather have a threesome with another girl and a guy, or would you rather just have lesbian sex?
It depends how my night was going. Like, it depends, really. I don't care.
Acid or shrooms?
I don't really do either of them. But I'm gonna say acid.
I don't do either of them, but I'm gonna go with acid. Because it destroys your brain more. No.
I hate mushrooms, though. Like, I never eat them.
Oh my god, I know.
So I despise them, so yeah. Like,
okay.
2 more questions.
2 more?
Yeah.
Okay, black girls or white girls?
Both. I don't care.
Okay, would you rather give head or get head?
That's a stupid ass question.
Well, answer it anyways.
Rather.
What?
Wait, what was the question? I forgot.
Did you just say bird?
No. I said I'd rather, but then I forgot.
Okay. Would you rather give head or get head?
I'd rather get it, but I don't care.
Okay. And that's your final question? Thank you for participating.
Thanks for making those awkward questions possible.
That's my job.
Oh my god, it's awkward as fuck. But okay.